Benvenuti! Welcome to Travel Partner Official, your guide to one of the most breathtaking stretches of coastline in the world, the Amalfi Coast. I'm Sarah, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be your virtual tour guide today as we explore the heart of southern Italy. Before we dive into the azure waters and charming villages, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming travel adventures. Get ready for stunning scenery, delicious food, and a taste of La Dolce Vita as we count down the top 12 things to do on the Amalfi Coast. Our first stop is the picture-perfect village of Positano, a cascade of colorful houses tumbling down the cliffs towards the sea. Imagine strolling through narrow cobblestone streets, lined with boutiques selling handmade leather sandals and flowing linen dresses. The scent of lemons fills the air, and the sun-drenched piazzas beckon you to linger over a cappuccino and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Be sure to snap a photo from the Spiaggia Grande, the main beach, to capture the iconic view of Positano's pastel-colored houses clinging to the hillside. As you wander, you'll discover hidden stairways leading to charming restaurants with breathtaking views. Treat yourself to a leisurely lunch, savoring fresh seafood and local wine while gazing out at the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. Positano is a feast for the senses, a place where time seems to slow down, and you can simply relax and embrace the beauty that surrounds you. Next, we'll journey to the town that gives the Amalfi Coast its name. Amalfi, a historic maritime republic, exudes a captivating blend of ancient grandeur and modern-day charm. The heart of Amalfi is its magnificent Duomo, a 9th-century cathedral dedicated to St. Andrew. Step inside to marvel at its Moorish architecture, intricate mosaics, and peaceful cloister. Afterward, lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets that fan out from the Piazza Duomo. You'll find artisan workshops, family-run trattorias, and shops selling colorful ceramics. Be sure to sample some locally made limoncello, a refreshing lemon liqueur that's a specialty of the region. As you explore, imagine the days when Amalfi was a powerful trading center, its ships sailing the Mediterranean and bringing back spices and treasures from distant lands. To truly appreciate the dramatic beauty of the Amalfi Coast, you have to see it from the water. Hop aboard a boat tour and prepare to be mesmerized by the towering cliffs, hidden coves, and crystal-clear waters. As you cruise along the coastline, you'll pass charming villages perched precariously on the cliffs, secluded beaches accessible only by sea, and ancient watchtowers that once protected the coast from invaders. One of the highlights of a boat tour is a visit to one of the many sea caves that dot the coastline. The most famous is the Grotta dello Smeraldo, or Emerald Grotto, where the sunlight filtering through the water creates an ethereal emerald glow. Whether you opt for a romantic sunset cruise or a full-day adventure, a boat trip along the Amalfi Coast is an experience you won't soon forget. Chapter 4: Hiking the Path of the Gods. For those who crave adventure and breathtaking views, a hike along the Sentiero degli Dei, or Path of the Gods, is a must-do. This legendary trail winds its way along the cliffs high above the sea, offering unparalleled panoramas of the coastline. As you hike, you'll be surrounded by fragrant Mediterranean vegetation, including wild rosemary, thyme, and lemon trees. The air is filled with the sound of birdsong, and the gentle breeze carries the scent of the sea. The trail offers a variety of options for all fitness levels, from leisurely walks to more challenging hikes. Be sure to wear comfortable shoes and bring plenty of water. Along the way, you'll discover ancient ruins, secluded chapels, and panoramic viewpoints that will take your breath away. Chapter 5: Ravello, a haven of tranquility. Perched high above the bustling coastal towns, Ravello is a tranquil oasis that has captivated artists, writers, and musicians for centuries. This elegant town is known for its stunning gardens, historic villas, and breathtaking views. One of the highlights of a visit to Ravello is Villa Ruffolo, a 13th-century villa with lush gardens that seem to cascade down the cliffside. Stroll through the gardens, admiring the colorful flowers, ancient trees, and panoramic views of the coastline. Another must-see is Villa Cimbrone, home to the famous Terrace of Infinity. This breathtaking terrace offers unparalleled views of the Amalfi Coast, stretching out as far as the eye can see. In the evening, enjoy a concert or opera performance at the gardens of Villa Ruffalo, where the magic of the music is enhanced by the stunning setting. Chapter 6. Sun, Sand, and Serenity. No trip to the Amalfi Coast would be complete without spending some time relaxing on its beautiful beaches. From secluded coves to lively stretches of sand, there's a beach for every taste. For a classic Amalfi Coast beach experience, head to Positano's Spiaggia Grande, where you can soak up the sun, take a dip in the crystal-clear water, and enjoy the lively atmosphere. If you're looking for something more secluded, seek out one of the hidden coves accessible only by boat. These tranquil beaches offer a peaceful escape from the crowds. For those who enjoy water sports, the Amalfi Coast offers plenty of opportunities for swimming, snorkeling, kayaking, and even scuba diving. One of the best ways to experience a culture is through its cuisine, and the Amalfi Coast does not disappoint. Get ready for fresh seafood, sun-ripened tomatoes, fragrant herbs, and of course, lots of lemons. Indulge in a plate of spaghetti alle vongole, featuring fresh clams, garlic, and white wine. Savor the flavors of the sea with a frittura mista, a platter of lightly fried seafood. And for dessert, you can't go wrong with a slice of delizia al limone, a lemon sponge cake that's light, refreshing, and bursting with citrus flavor. Be sure to pair your meals with local wines, such as the crisp white wines from the Furore region, or the full-bodied reds from the Tremonti Hills. Prepare to be dazzled by the ethereal beauty of the Emerald Grotto, a sea cave located near Amalfi. As you step into a small boat and descend into the grotto, you'll be transported to a magical underwater world. The sunlight filtering through the water creates an emerald glow that illuminates the cave's stalactites and stalagmites, creating a surreal and unforgettable spectacle. The Emerald Grotto was once an ancient Roman villa, and you can still see remnants of the villa's structure submerged beneath the water. The grotto is a popular attraction, so it's best to visit early in the morning or later in the afternoon to avoid the crowds. Tucked away between Amalfi and Positano lies the Fiordo di Furore, a dramatic fjord that's one of the Amalfi Coast's hidden gems. This narrow inlet, carved out by the Furore River, is a sight to behold. The cliffs rise up dramatically on either side, creating a sense of awe and wonder. Take a dip in the crystal-clear waters of the fjord, or simply relax on the beach and soak up the beauty of your surroundings. For a unique perspective, walk across the bridge that spans the fjord, offering breathtaking views of the coastline. Chapter 10. The Art of Papermaking. Discover the ancient art of papermaking at the Museo della Carta, or Paper Museum, located in Amalfi. This fascinating museum tells the story of Amalfi's rich history of paper production. You'll learn about the traditional methods of papermaking, from the harvesting of the raw materials to the final product. See antique printing presses, watermarked paper, and other artifacts that offer a glimpse into the past. You can even try your hand at making your own sheet of paper using traditional techniques. Chapter 11. Cooking up a storm. What better souvenir to take home from your Amalfi Coast adventure than the ability to recreate the region's delicious cuisine? Join a cooking class and learn the secrets of traditional Amalfi Coast cooking from local chefs. You'll learn how to select the freshest ingredients, master classic techniques, and create dishes that will impress your friends and family back home. Many cooking classes include a visit to a local market where you can learn about the region's produce and interact with local vendors. Chapter 12. Shopping for treasures. No trip is complete without a little bit of shopping, and the Amalfi Coast offers a treasure trove of unique souvenirs and local crafts. From handmade ceramics and colorful textiles to locally made limoncello and handcrafted leather goods, you're sure to find the perfect memento of your trip. Wander through the charming shops of Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello, and discover the work of local artisans. Be sure to bargain for the best prices, and don't be afraid to haggle a little. Outro. Until next time, Arrivederci. Grazie mille for joining me on this virtual journey to the Amalfi Coast. I hope this video has inspired you to add this enchanting destination to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Partner Official for more travel tips, inspiration, and adventures. And be sure to let me know in the comments below what your favorite Amalfi Coast activity would be. Would you rather hike the path of the gods, relax on a secluded beach, or indulge in a plate of delicious pasta? Ciao for now!